Hello friends, in previous lecture we discussed the structure and shapes of alcohol. After that, we focus on general method for the preparation of alcohol in which Grignard synthesis, Grignard reagents it reacts with formaldehyde gives primary alcohol, then aldehyde yield secondary alcohol in which we take one example acetaldehyde and a Grignard reagent we get the secondary alcohol, and when we treat with the formaldehyde we get the primary alcohol. Then ketone yield a tertiary alcohol. After that ethyl formate yield secondary alcohol, and other ester yield the tertiary alcohol on reaction with excess of Grignard reagent. Then ester hydrolysis. In ester hydrolysis there are two types, acid ester hydrolysis and base ester hydrolysis. In both the case, that means in acid ester hydrolysis and in base ester hydrolysis, the product is alcohol and acid. Then we discuss the reduction of aldehyde, ketone, acids and ester by different types of reducing agent such as lithium aluminum hydride, sodium borohydride, sodium amalgam. After reduction, we get the primary alcohol and secondary alcohol. Then reduction of acids and esters by using a strong reducing agent such as lithium aluminum hydride, we get the alcohol. After that, we discuss the physical properties of alcohol. Up to this we cover in previous lecture. Today we will start the remaining part of alcohol, that is chemical properties of alcohol, that is ROH. It having two types here. First, we focus on the reaction involving the breaking of OH bond. Reaction involving breaking of OH bond. Here, we have to remember the reactivity of alcohol. That means here, first primary alcohol, then secondary alcohol, and tertiary alcohol. And in case of reaction involving breaking of RO, that is carbon oxygen bond, and here the reactivity of alcohol is first tertiary alcohol, then secondary, then primary alcohol. Okay, first we discuss the reaction involving the cleavage of oxygen hydrogen bond. Cleavage of oxygen hydrogen bond, and all these reactions follow this order. That means we have to remember this order: first primary alcohol, then secondary alcohol, then tertiary alcohol. In which first action of alkali metal, and in this reaction, first the alcohol is behaves as weak acid. Here the alcohol is behaves as weak acid, and the electropositive metals like sodium, potassium, calcium and magnesium reacts with alcohol and forming an alkoxide with the liberation of hydrogen gas. That means here alcohol plus sodium, and we get the sodium alkoxide. This is general reaction. We get the sodium alkoxide with the liberation of hydrogen gas. In second example, here ethanol plus sodium, we get the sodium ethoxide. Again here the liberation of hydrogen gas. This is about the action of alkali metal. In action of alkali metal, alcohol is treated with one of the alkali metal. Alkali metal example are given: sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium. Alcohol is treated with alkali metal. We get the sodium alkoxide with the liberation of hydrogen gas. Then the reaction involving the cleavage of carbon oxygen bond. The reaction involving cleavage of carbon oxygen bond, in which first discuss action of concentrated HCl and anhydrous ZnCl2. After that esterification Then oxidation. We discuss one by one. First, reaction involving the cleavage of carbon-oxygen bond. Here, reaction involving the cleavage of carbon-oxygen bond, in which first action of concentrated HCl and anhydrous ZnCl2. Here, the primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohols are distinguished by the Lucas test or the Lucas reagent. That means, how will you identify whether the given alcohol is primary, secondary, or tertiary alcohol? It is explained by the Lucas test. Here, the alcohol reacts with the Lucas reagent. Alcohol reacts with the Lucas reagent, and the Lucas reagent having the mixture of concentrated HCl and anhydrous zinc chloride. That means the mixture of concentrated HCl and anhydrous zinc chloride is called as Lucas reagent, and they form the insoluble alkyl halides. Insoluble alkyl halide, and this test is based on the reactivity of three types of alcohol. It means whatever the Lucas reagent it show the taste, it depends on the reactivity of these three alcohol. The three alcohol, it is nothing but the primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, and the tertiary alcohol. A tertiary alcohol reacts immediately. If you use the Lucas reagent, tertiary alcohol reacts immediately, while the secondary alcohol reacts in 5 minutes. The primary alcohol reacts very slowly at room temperature. This is the observation of tertiary, secondary, and primary alcohol. Here, the Lucas test, we have to remember the Lucas test is alcohol plus ZnCl2 plus HCl. This is a mixture of alcohol plus ZnCl2 plus HCl. It's a Lucas test, and here reactions are given. For primary alcohol, this is alcohol plus ZnCl2 plus HCl. The slow reaction, if the slow reaction at room temperature, then definitely it is the primary alcohol. Now in secondary alcohol, this is the structure of secondary alcohol plus ZnCl2 plus HCl. We get the R2CHCl, we get the white turbidity. If we get the white turbidity after 5 minutes, then definitely such alcohol is the secondary alcohol. Then tertiary alcohol, again alcohol plus ZnCl2 plus HCl, we get the R3CHCl, that means instant white turbidity, that means immediately turbidity. Then such alcohol is tertiary alcohol. In this way we classify the primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohol. Okay, the reaction involving the breaking of CO bond. Here, action of haloacids, in which ROH plus HX, and here the removal of this water molecule. That is action of haloacids in which ROH plus HX, removal of this water molecule, and here we get the RX plus H2O. And here the most important, I have repeated, the concentrated HCl plus anhydrous ZnCl2 is called as Lucas reagent. You have to remember that concentrated HCl plus anhydrous ZnCl2 is called as Lucas reagent, and Lucas reagent is reacted with here ROH plus Lucas reagent. That means if the any alcohol ROH, this is general formula, ROH plus Lucas reagent, the reaction is called as the Gruce process. Such a reaction is called as Gruce process, and this is called as Lucas test for alcohol. Here RCl is prepared, that means alkyl halides is prepared. That means how will you classify the alcohol? The answer is by using Lucas reagent. Here the summary of these primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohols, or distinguishable reaction between primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohols. How will you identify whether the given alcohol is primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, or the tertiary alcohol? Here tertiary alcohol, and if you add the Lucas reagent, and Lucas reagent, if you get the immediate appearance of the turbidity, that means turbidities appear, then such alcohol is tertiary alcohol. Now then secondary alcohol, plus Lucas reagent, if get the turbidity within 5 minutes, then such alcohol is secondary alcohol. What about the primary alcohol? In primary alcohol plus Lucas reagent, do not produce any turbidity at room temperature. Such alcohol is primary alcohol. In this way, we classify the primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohol. This is actually I have summarized this with a simple chart. That means tertiary alcohol, immediate turbidity.